Omayi emu aye chese bisi basa obia ehu ne tenioma enko chese nioma bi wo honoma etochema anka ni kwan se wo man Ghana sa nioma we eye ade a wo se enkoso e wo ye mai emu because aman bi wo honoma chese nioma ye wo ne chese de ye de edi djuma no enya de se wo mo ewo bi enso dane da wo mo ekon e de ko wo mo enim na so Ghana de da so eti ye ABC emu na abusuafo ye kan ne ye kan de akwakwa kosi yeah, face the country once and some watch. I say, sorry, yeah, or may emu, and I'm so much as if you're or dog, I didn't know at all, and some no emu kasai, and mino kasai, there was also a bunting with a different issue altogether. Now, Nensem, Nina, Ejina, yeah, and Sua, Elkona, Watchy, emu, and such as say, yeah, me, bino, intimi, flow, a honor, no, and or dinner, no, atumu, a beat as a wakasa, ama, warm, magana for a woman say, warm, and a man. Penifo no eyam penifo enti se yen ene ye ma wo mo enya tumi a na chese yen ankasa no ye hu enye enti se ye sori a wo mo eni tumi bia ebiemu enti wo se Ghana fo ensori wakapa eye because yen ntimi ntina se na be na wotwe mienu ekọ na wotwe miensa na chese ensuo entimi emma ade nso a ye man ya na se ya seten ye dada seten ye di nsuo ne ye bibia wo bedware ye nsuo ye wo bedidi a ye nsuo ye chese bibi biara wo be ye bia se enioma wo sie se de ye krampo na Nina ensuo enuti ne kasa water is life. It is a water is life. Na se ensuo entimi emba ewe ebi inomu mpotamo. Na for the past 3 weeks and na se 2 weeks and na 1 week ni ebi nomu entimi enya the flow of water. Ewe womo empeswa eswa no ohu ne se ewe se empenifo no womo ensori waka no womo nye bibi emfa ho anya sa pade na se ye emebunu no tinkensen dia no womo kan hu se tumi no ekura ye se de nyankopon ekura tumi na ye de ni die ema womo no sanso na ye nso ye kura tumi ne sansa yen ene ye ma wo mo eye wo mo na abusuafo nsem odi etu edwane ansa na ebekwa kotie me kan mo accept ocha de herbal center ene so ya sen e ma ye de adwumadie no eba ebebe so mo ocha de ese brana so ye eso ehono esanse yare biara hawo ye de call ye hawo efri wo mofrase anasa wo baza si su cramp na abebe fa ye mo de ya to ede ama wo ene de chese ekun ede etia wo ni nyina no obete ne te ede ama eno ti fane number e wo screen no eso na ene no endi enkita wo na ebusuafo ye to ensem no so man kotie e ye fi odo ne ensem odi tu dwane ba ye beto so.
I just came here just to say 1 or 2 things. Okay, my best friend's on. I'm on live. You're so loud. Sorry. I'm on my Facebook. Anyway, I know a lot of you have noticed the water shortage. I've experienced it. I'm sure some of you guys have also experienced it. And I was just watching Joy News and it's so bad. Like, I don't know how people are okay with not being okay, because I'm not okay with not being okay. Like, you're not gonna shut me down because I want to talk about the realities that people are facing. There's no water. Water is life. Like, make it make sense. Not everybody can afford to buy freaking poly tanks. Not everybody can afford to buy bags and bags of pure water. You know, it's not fair. Like, people are trying to make a living here. Hair salon owners are trying to make a living, but guess what? There's no water, so they can't wash their clients' hair. Their businesses are collapsing. Hotels who depend on water. Some of them can't even, it's not even, is it motels? Sorry guys, somebody called me. Anyway, like, there's a lot of problems going on in this country, and a lot of you keep saying that it's not the responsibility. Like whose responsibility is it? It's not my responsibility. Nobody voted for me. No, I don't. Nobody paying any taxes to me. I didn't come out here and promise nobody shit. It's not a responsibility of a celebrity or a public figure. No offense to celebrities no more Ghana. How much are they getting paid for the movies they do or the music they make? Ask yourself. Compare the celebrities in America to the ones in Ghana. What money are they making? Our system, it's fucked. Our celebrity system It's fucked. Artists are fucked. Actresses are fucked. Like, everybody's fucked. People are working and not even getting paid. Nurses, teachers are living off of 350 city salaries. Why? Obi so our family. Wako school. Wako school. A senior DS officer teacher. Wabe teacher. Every month, 4 million. Or something where you're anyone how old ma. How much is he gonna use for transportation? No, it's insurance. I mean, listen, these are things. If you're gonna like argue with me because I care about people and I feel like there's a problem, there's a problem in our system, then I'm sorry, you're just a dickhead. You're an idiot. I'm sorry. I don't like to insult people, but you're an idiot.
Go brush your teeth. You just woke up. Go brush your teeth.
That's my best friend now on the phone. Sorry. Charlie, in so new even me more where I live, sometimes like days where there's no water. Like, come on. We shouldn't be having these kind of issues at this day and age. People are traveling and walking 10 kilometers to go and get water. How are you going to travel 10 kilometers to go and get water? Why? So the own person will come to Mecca. What I say, and then you say it's not NPP, it's NDC, it's Omunina, because NPP buy what did they do? NDC buy they didn't do much. All these problems were existing in NDC time. All these problems were existing in the previous NPP, in the previous NDC, in the previous. In Monte, I say, yeah, they are like a costo. And maybe, yes, now people are talking about it. But a few years ago, Devon Nelson did the whole doom sort thing. So now NDC were power. So do you understand? It's not like because of NPP in theater, I come and no my air cost on the who and a year can't them. Okay, what if NDC was in power and an air council? Bubaka said NPP Fontina, NPP for a train. Like, no, no my air cost. Who the fuck cares who's in power? Like, who cares if it's NPP in power? Like, I don't care. Whoever's in power is in charge. And there's been a lot of people who've been in power, who've been in charge, who haven't done shit. The motorway been fucked up even during NDC time. Like, Doomsaw been around during NDC time. And like, Charlie, I know my air cost so. And you're not attacking NPP, we're attacking the people who were in high officials and they're not doing their job and they're still getting paid for it. MPs and MCEs for now, are still a trauma cano. Like, 2021 and Kulamute from the Musia, they were like, oh, yale, like how? Meanwhile, I'm gonna call the best schools. I'm gonna tell ones like Mentia. So you the people need to see that these motherfuckers don't give a fuck about you. They don't care about us. So why do you keep voting for them? We give them the power. They're sitting. I'm gonna tell you so. Politicians, I'm gonna tell you so. So you're sorry, they're gonna fall. Like, yeah, the two we're their God. We are their God. Do you know, like, oh, your politician, oh, yeah, Ninyami. And also, some more. What's that say? Because we give them power. Obia, ma, to me, or Nyami. Nyami also, ne, my to me, to Yami. Yes, you the power, Nema, or more. Into your money, into some swimming. That's what your money ain't. Hey, come on. I gotta see this shit for real. I don't care if y'all attacking me. I'm not trying to suspect nobody, but they don't respect us. None of these politicians respect us. I'm on buying. I'm about dada. No more votes. Ni akoto amomo. No more call. I say boy or person or we girl. Boy or person or we girl. Oh, in the beginning of a cancer match, number 2 to get goodness so. Or when a pet film or call. It's a politician of buying. Politicians are moving, no more call. No, seriously. I gotta go because I have things to do. But moonjing and some that make hano. And you're bonio. I didn't say, Charlie, you're pursuing a living life. Or I'm getting my closet done. So, you're pursuing a juma. You say your Bob Papa, what you say near share bush your funny show your home. What you say, Percy a jarring so ye. Like these are basic things. You say your schools, Papa, you say your beds or hospitals, you say your macoso, you say a quine a ye. They be on a bumpy road. Farmers for where roads are more fast. Even where Charlie, I gotta go. Okay, I love you guys. Those who attack me, those who don't attack me, I don't care. I love all of you. Take care and be smart and be wise. Don't be wise and see. Otherwise, become. Don't be wise and see. Bye.
Na ebusia for said ye Efia odo e de nsem no abatu edwa eno na na dodo na e ka said wo kan de e ne kwan so a eno no de binum so hu ne said wo kan de mfa ba bia e politics a na wo ye na yitie ne nka say mu a o ka bibi e fa Yvonne Nelson wo say e bra na say NDC wo so na du so e kono ye nua ba no wo kasa e de fa ho MPP nso so betina ya na say nyoma enkoye eno so akasa e de fa ho na say no kire say enya politics e na wo mo e de ye nyoma no anasa de wo mu kom ne eye de mo ma ya de a ehia a enu nti na wo se empenifo enhwe na wo mo enye ebusuafo de ekoyi se wo so wo mpotamo ensuo emma na wo so na eya de a ehia wo e de na ne wo so wadwentwefa Efia wodo ensem no ho no enesen fabra ebebetu edwa wo tuma gh comment section and like videos na share all the social media platform eso media ene ekwia sikapa dasene ebesane di ehia ebi makram.